You'll see all the time, people in the MLS marketing, AC was replaced in 2023. AC was replaced in 2019. Brand new AC unit, brand new ducts, brand new plumbing. People talk about the recent repairs they've made. Sometimes, depending on the buyer, certain buyers are more receptive to that. Certain ones are a little less receptive because they don't know the true cost behind those things.
Maybe not for a first-time home buyer.
That's very
right?
true.
Maybe somebody who's, a little more experienced. Maybe this is their second or third home. Sure. Not they own 3 homes, but second or third time buying a house.